Are you curious about the history or details of a property in Bucks County, but unsure exactly where to start? Well, stay tuned, because in this explainer, I'll guide you step by step on how to access these vital county records online completely for free. Whether you're a prospective buyer, researching your own home's past, or just trying to wrap your head around local property taxes, you are absolutely in the right place.
Here is a quick look at our roadmap for today. We'll start with why these records actually matter, then dive into the Board of Assessment, those awesome interactive GIS maps, and the Record of Deeds. Finally, we'll tackle some common search challenges and go over your next steps.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, Why Search Property Records and Understanding the Stakes.
So why does all this matter so much? Honestly, it really comes down to the financial reality. Just to put this into perspective, the median home value in Bucks County is a staggering $417,700. That completely blows past the Pennsylvania state median and the national average. Add in a property tax rate of 1.37%, and yeah, the financial stakes are super high here. Property records are literally vital for verifying legal title before you close a massive real estate deal, tracking a property's history, and understanding exactly how your local taxes are calculated.
Now, the real secret to researching efficiently here is knowing that Bucks County operates on a split, or bifurcated system. They basically separate the money from the law. On one hand, you have the Board of Assessment, which focuses entirely on the fiscal side. They determine market value to calculate your property taxes. On the other hand, you have the Recorder of Deeds. They act like a massive library for the legal side, handling things like titles and property rights. Knowing which office holds the specific data you need, that's half the battle right there.
Moving on to Section 2, Board of Assessment Searches and Building Your Fiscal Foundation.
If you want free data, the Board of Assessment's public access system is definitely your starting line. It gives you a few different ways to hunt. Looking into a specific person's real estate portfolio, just pop in their last name for an owner search. Only have a house number and street? The address search works perfectly, especially if you're a prospective buyer. But listen, the absolute golden key to your research is finding the tax parcel number. It's a unique ID for every single piece of land. Once you have that number, the doors swing wide open. You can even use their advanced search to filter by land use classification or check out properties within a specific assessment range.
Okay, Section 3. Using interactive GIS maps to actually visualize the data. This is where modern technology really flexes its muscles. The county uses GIS, which stands for Geographic Information Systems, to give you a highly visual, interactive experience. Their Parcel and Floodplain Viewer lets you layer data right over a map of the county. You can see exact parcel boundaries, uncover those vital tax parcel numbers we just talked about, and spot environmental encumbrances. For instance, you can toggle on a floodplain layer to see if a property sits in a high-risk zone or apply zoning overlays to figure out local land use rules. It's incredibly intuitive. You just zoom in, click on a parcel, and boom! A pop-up generates with all of this synthesized data.
Let's head over to Section 4, the Recorder of Deeds and Uncovering Legal Ownership.
So, while the Board of Assessment handles the taxes, the Recorder of Deeds handles the law. They are the permanent library for real estate documents in Bucks County. And get this, they house records dating all the way back to 1684. To access these legal archives from your couch, the county uses a digital system called Landex. Now, printing the actual document images through Landex does carry a small fee, but searching the index is practically free. And honestly, that index alone is usually all you really need to verify the chain of legal ownership, transaction dates, and the specific book or page references.
If you're trying to find out what happened in your house a century ago, you kind of need to know how these records evolved over time. Before 1999, you couldn't just type a name into a search bar. Records from 1684 to 1919 are digital scans of handwritten books, so be prepared to decipher some 17th century cursive. By the 1920s, they moved to digitized alphabetical books, and from 1999 onward, you finally get a modern, easily searchable PDF archive database. Advanced researchers will actually combine these searches with old city directories and historic newspapers to really piece together a property's full story.
Okay, time for a fantastic, actionable pro tip derived straight from the county's policies. If you currently own property in Bucks County, you can completely bypass those standard per-page copying fees. The Recorder of Deeds will actually provide one free, complimentary copy of your deed, sent directly to you via email. All you have to do is contact their office by phone or through their online form. Provide your name, the property address, and an email address for delivery. It is an amazing free resource for residents to secure their primary title document. Definitely take advantage of that.
But hey, what happens when a standard search hits a brick wall? Like, what if you look up a property and the title is clouded by a legal dispute, or maybe the listed owner has passed away?
That brings us perfectly to Section 5, Overcoming Common Search Challenges by exploring the row offices.
When you face those tricky, complex search challenges, you have to look beyond the basic real estate databases and turn to the county's row offices. If a title is clouded, you'll want to search the records of the prothon notary. I know it's a very old legal term, but essentially they act as the clerk of the civil court. They keep track of civil records, including judgments and liens that can legally attach to real estate. On the flip side, if a property transfer involves a death, you'll want to head over to the Register of Wills. This office handles probate, the recording of wills, and inheritance taxes. Searching these two offices can really help fill in the missing pieces of your property puzzle.
It's also super important to remember that Bucks County is made up of 54 different municipalities, and they often hoard the really granular local details. For example, if you want zoning verification in Bensalem, you have to go to their local building and planning department. In Bristol, you're looking for the local finance office for tax billing. Lower Makefield uses a local tax collector, and Warminster maintains permits through licenses and inspections. Always remember to zoom into the municipal level if the county level data is leaving you with unanswered questions.
All right. Section 6, Conclusion and Next Steps. Let's put this all together.
To conduct a professional-grade property search for free, you really need a multi-platform approach. It boils down to 3 easy steps. Step 1, start at the Board of Assessment to grab that crucial tax parcel number. Step 2, plug that number into the GIS portal to visualize the boundaries and check for things like floodplains. Step 3, take what you've learned right over to the Landex web store to verify the legal title history. It's that simple.
Now, before we completely wrap things up, it is absolutely crucial to read this mandatory disclaimer from our source material. The County of Bucks makes no warranties regarding the accuracy of the data for specific purposes, and users assume all risks. Furthermore, this explainer provides informational guidance on accessing publicly available records, but it does not constitute legal advice. You should always consult with a professional title searcher, real estate attorney, or legal expert for any legal questions or concerns regarding property transactions.
Well, there you have it. We've explored the fiscal foundations, visualized the interactive GIS maps, and navigated the legal archives of the Recorder of Deeds. These digital tools are out there, they are incredibly robust, and as we've seen today, they are largely free to use. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Armed with this step-by-step roadmap, which piece of hidden history will you uncover about your Bucks County property first? Go ahead, dive into the portals, start searching, and discover the amazing story right beneath your feet. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.